Welcome back to MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Lance Weatherby here, another beautiful day at Treasure Island Marina on a beautiful boat. I'm here on the Pro Angler's Tower on the 240 Pro. Of course, you got up here at the tower, you're gonna have all your gauges, stereo remote, trim tabs, and of course your jack plate. But as you can see as I'm up here, you've got great visibility. Great boat to tail redfish and trout. Awesome cobia boat. This one's got the Motor Guide trolling motor. And you can just see up here. Now this boat still has an 8'1" bridge clearance when you're in the water. So very, very usable here locally. Handles rough water great. Powered by the Mercury 350. This boat's ready to go. Subtle differences between the 240 Pro than the regular 240 Dauntless. Of course, your stern layout's going to be a little bit different. You're going to have, which is great for anglers, you got the center live well. You got great tackle storages on either side. You know, of course, the original 240 is going to have the pop-up bench seat on either side. This 240 Pro's got the jack plate and the power pole shallow water anchor. Slide out Yeti cooler. Nice leaning posts with backrest and rod holders. Guys, this is a great boat for the avid angler or the professional. Huge casting deck up front, great tow rail, recessed stainless grab rail. Now, of course, this one's got the cushions off of it, so I can kind of walk over the boat and kind of show you what you'll be doing when you're fishing the boat here in the bay or in open waters. Another live well here in the front. But the nice thing about this 240 Pro, you know, is just being more of a hybrid style boat where you have higher gunnels on the side. So if you've got little ones, they can feel safe on this boat. This one's a fisherman's dream here. You know, one thing about all Boston Whalers, you'll never mistake this classic Boston Whaler smirk. Full length strakes and reverse chine. Just a great all-around boat. That tower makes it very, very fisherman friendly as well. Give us a call. Lance Weatherby, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Have a great day.